Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Shiro Dashi. This essential Japanese seasoning is a fantastic way to add deep umami flavor to your cooking without changing the color of your dishes. It's a blend of dashi stock, light soy sauce, and mirin, offering a balanced sweet and savory profile. Making it at home ensures fresh, vibrant flavors for your soups, stews, and dressings. Let's gather our ingredients and get started on this simple, yet impactful culinary journey. To begin, you'll need 2 cups of freshly prepared dashi stock. This forms the base of our Shiro Dashi, providing that crucial umami depth. Next, measure out 1/4 cup of light soy sauce. This gives salinity without the dark color of regular soy sauce. Finally, have 1/4 cup of mirin ready. Mirin adds a subtle sweetness and gloss, balancing the flavors beautifully. These 3 components are all you need for an authentic Shiro Dashi. Making Shiro Dashi is incredibly straightforward. Simply combine your 2 cups of dashi stock, 1/4 cup of light soy sauce, and 1/4 cup of mirin in a small saucepan. Gently heat the mixture over low heat for about 2 minutes, just until it's warm and the ingredients are well combined. Avoid boiling. Once heated, remove it from the stove and let it cool completely before transferring it to a clean, airtight bottle for storage. Once cooled, your homemade Shiro Dashi can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. It's perfect for adding a delicate flavor to clear soups, enhancing vegetable dishes, or as a base for salad dressings and marinades. This versatile seasoning will elevate many of your Japanese-inspired meals. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience. Enjoy your culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.